Hi guys! For today's video, we're going to cook simple chicken afritada. So here's the ingredients. We have here our ingredients. Onion, garlic, and bell pepper. We have also mga leftover. These ingredients are leftover sa aming ref. So may natirang chicken. We have potato and carrots. And then we have this mga ricados. And I have cheese, tomato paste, and green peas. And for we use patis for the panglasa. So let's start to cook na. Of course, we have also oil and sugar.